Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. How you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif's World. So today we've come to Cakes and Shakes to try up the cookie doughs. I heard they do fantastic cookie doughs. So let's go inside and let's take a look and buy the cookie dough. You got another menu here, guys. This is where they do cakes, cookie doughs, smoothies, and donuts as well. Look at this, guys, Cakes and Shakes. Looks amazing design here of Cakes and Shakes. Look at a variety of cakes here, guys. Look at these. That looks awesome. And you come this side, you've got cornflake tarts there. You've got milky bar cheesecakes. Look at these. Lots of cheesecakes as well. If you go this side, plenty more cakes here. On this side, guys, they've got lots of ice creams here as well, lots of variety of ice creams. So basically we've gone for the cookie dough. Look at these. So when you get ice cream, you can get it either in tubs or in the cone. And guys, here we are, we've got our cookie dough here. So first of all, it comes in the box here, and wow, look at this. We just have to open this up, and next to that we get ice cream as well, a vanilla ice cream. Right, let's open this up. Here we are, guys, look at this. That looks absolutely stunning. So you got the cookie there, you've got the chocolate sauce all over that. Right, let's give this a taste. Wow, that was absolutely phenomenal. The cookie dough is very nice and fresh. It's nice and soft as well. There's plenty of tastes coming out of that cookie dough, and obviously the chocolate sauce, and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, well cooked as well. And guys, so I've just finished my cookie dough there, and I must say this was phenomenal. One of the best cookie doughs I've ever tried at Cakes and Shakes, and I must say it's fantastic. I recommend you guys coming to try and cookie dough from Cakes and Shakes. I'm sure you'll be happy once you've had it. Let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.